Hey, Song. Almost there.
Not gonna betray her.
Clearly need some help. Nearly there. Ends in sight. Fucking hell.
Reed.
Stop there.
Look. Putting her down.
So now. So, what do you want to do?
Reed, she's fucking dying.
I see 2 near corpses with a death wish. Your fault alone if she kicks it.
Right, because you and Myers had no hand in this shit.
That is all that awaits her on the moon. You want to save her? Leave her to me.
Back on the roof, Myers ordered her killed. You didn't protest.
You heard it.
Every last word.
The situation's changed. Just leave Songbird to me. I can still help her.
That biz 7 years ago. Song followed Myers' order, but never forgave herself for it. Gonna be the same for you. Remorse to the end of your days.
But this ain't about Song anymore, V. No, this is about her not sparking another war. I'm taking Songbird to Washington. She'll answer for treason. She has to.
You're right. Song's curb stomped everyone to get what she wants. Condemned me to death.
Let me guess. She promised. Then she didn't deliver.
Just one dose. One instance of the cure exists. Song decided to keep it, but left me with nothing.
I see. Songbird for me, one dose for you.
Need the cure and the Rippers who know how to use it. Mention contacts in Europe. Personal ones.
In Europe, at Langley, too. The NUSA specialists are top of the game. They'll pull the data for you, then operate. Do we have a deal?
No, there's no way but to kill him.
Not giving her up, Saul. No. Fuck.
You had no choice.
Shut up, Johnny.
Now join Reed in the Beyond if you don't hurry your ass.
Gonna be okay. One last push. You're bound for the moon, Somi. Getting away from them all. Let's see, what do we got here?
Life support activated.
Diagnostics. Pressure, O2, infusion pump.
Computers in startup configuration.
Get that feeling too sometimes.
Clear.
Drop everything. Leave it all behind. Wouldn't it be nice? Gently now. So many died to save one life. Sure as hell hope it was worth it.
Hatch locked and sealed. Internal power activated. Hydrogen pressure sufficient for takeoff. Automatic boot sequence initiated.
Well, no turning back now.
-60 seconds. RS -25, main engine ignition.
Here we go.
First time I've ever launched a spacecraft. You?
Same, man. Same.
T-minus 50 seconds. Solid propellant engines burning. Spark igniters.
Whoever awaits her in orbit. Hope she ends up happy.
She's free. Slammed it home. She has just a bit of what I lacked entirely. Fucking luck.
Luck played no part in it, Johnny. You and her just wanted different things.
Really? So do tell. What was it I wanted so badly?
Applause. Cheers. Did absolutely everything to please the crowd.
Nah. Maybe. Guess I could have done more. Been different. Maybe. Could also be I was convinced I couldn't make it out alive. And maybe, just maybe that chick had great follow-through to the fucking end. And I lacked that last ounce of determination. Duh.
Well, at least you're being honest with yourself. That in itself is some version of freedom.
What do you say next? Be all you can be? Limitations are all in my head?
Just watch the show, Johnny.
T0, lifting.
She made it. Great, that's what counts.
Where do we go from here?
Now, we wave bye-bye to your dreams of living a long, happy life.
We'll see how the dice roll. Things ain't all bad at any rate. Politicos and spies at war, us in the middle. We came out whole.
Sure as shit made some enemies, powerful ones, too. Myers'll remember. Won't let it pass. No fucking way after you killed the most loyal of her hounds.
Myers wanted Songbird. Really only cared about her. Same for Reed.
Reed. Loyalty, his Achilles heel. Had to stick it out, come hell or high water. Shit survival tactic, though. Sooner or later, we all betray somebody. No two ways about it. And most often, it's ourselves. All told, could be you actually did the guy a huge fucking favor.
Need to shift focus now. It's myself. My own path.
I'll say. Fucking with NUSA plans, launching a half-dead cyborg into orbit. Adds bricks to that edifice called legend. But clock's ticking, friend. You're dying. Gotta do something about it.
Hello, V. Surprised?
Last we met, we kinda ran out of time to talk.
Well, I'm not that easy to get rid of. Especially when I got skin in the game. Come by the Moth, would ya?
This invite from you or the FIA?
Got a black sack on your head? Didn't think so. Means it's from me.
Sure. See you there.
Unfinished sympathy.
bloody terrorist attack perpetrated recently by an unknown organization at Night City International and Translunar. Echoes of the bloodbath continue
Talking about
unabated.
you. The
Dozens
chances,
of
huh?
victims, chiefly orbital air staff, the paralysis of air and space travel, and losses going into billions of Eurodollars. These are the sad results of this senseless act of aggression.
Familiar, this fucking jabber. It's war talk.
Today we
a
talk to
wind-up.
Leslie Wawuda,
Old
Orbital Air
grunt cunt
CEO,
Myers
speaking to
knows
us
how
from
to
Nairobi,
escalate
Kenya,
shit.
where Mr. Wawuda did manage to travel.
One thing's sure. If they jump at
Mr.
each other,
Wawuda, you
Militech
claim
will
to know
rip Sokka's
exactly who's
throat out.
responsible for the recent attack on what is clearly the jewel in your corporation's crown.
Yes, Night Corp. It must be said. To Night Corp, the spaceport in Night City is a symbol of yet another failure in their space race against Orbital Air, the leader in orbital technology.
Couldn't be sure you'd
They
show.
will destroy us out of envy for our success.
Actually,
This attack
didn't
was
feel
a
like
huge-
coming. At all, really.
I get that. So, here we are, facing complicated dilemmas.
Did you invite me here to debate the sorry state of the world?
NUS is rolling up its shit, breaking camp. My bags are packed too. Got one last assignment. Eliminate you.
Many have tried.
Save the stale comebacks for the bozos at the afterlife. Got a few months to live, right? So I'm content to wait. In-house contest, you see. Already chalked up a few accidents and dieds of natural causes. Peeps back at the firm will wilt with envy when I post a died after a long, grueling illness.
Assuming you didn't ask me to come around just to zap me with news about my elimination.
You assume correctly. Gotta say, I'm curious. How'd it go down with Reed?
What do you know?
What would you say to a drink first?
Poison?
For the fallen. Body, soul, or both.
I don't know. Like, that really feels like poison.
Thanks. Nothing for me.
Well, I will drink to Reed. A man of honor, a patriot, and a fool of the kind they just don't make anymore.
Died for what he believed in.
Now, you'll tell me how he died.
He blindly followed orders. Gave me no choice. I think he saw death as a possibility. From the moment Myers and I showed up.
Meaning?
Knew Myers well, her cynicism. Knew she might just play him. And he let her.
Did you like him?
Hell yeah.
Fucking fate of an FIA agent. Well, here's to all fools with principles.
To all principled peeps. What'll you do while you wait for me to flatline?
Gonna sit around being bored. Finally.
Good luck, Alex. Look after yourself.
You too. Remember, it's my job to kill you. Don't let anyone beat me to it.
So what? Monaco bound?
Close. Warm, sunny place, definitely.
Chick's pretty chill. Too bad she's on the wrong side. Come on. Gotta find some new peeps you'll befriend. Grow to like. And then murder.
Shut up, Johnny. That was a good one. From her to eternity. Return to the place that reminds me of home and see what you find. I remember. I know where that is. Foggo Wells never will. Did some digging in the net to find you. Man, what a mess you made. And on my watch. Sharon Exotic System Breach, Grand Theft Auto, all one big steam of polished shit you dumped in my backyard. But we're chill. We set things right, and you get back that preem ride you jacked. Sound good?
Interesting.
Metal pin. Interesting. So I don't think there's... If you let her go, I don't think there's anything to do. I think betraying Somi is the only way.
Come along.
Doesn't look like there's any ending. No.